In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the size of objects in AutoCAD. By the end, you'll know exactly how to resize anything in your drawing quickly and accurately, whether you're doubling its size or making it half as big. Start by selecting the object you want to resize. You can click it directly, or drag a window to select multiple items at once. Take a second to confirm your selection. Look for the highlights or grips that show the objects are active. This helps you avoid accidentally scaling the wrong thing, especially in busy drawings. Next, type scale on your keyboard and press enter. You'll see that AutoCAD is now waiting for a base point. This base point is the anchor of your scaling, the spot that stays fixed while everything else grows or shrinks around it. Click on the point you want to use as that anchor. It could be a corner, a midpoint, a center, or any precise location that makes sense for your design. Choosing a logical base point is important because it controls how the object maintains its position relative to the rest of the drawing. After you set the base point, you have two simple ways to define how much to scale. You can use your mouse or type a number. With the mouse, move your cursor away from the base point to enlarge or toward the base point to reduce. You'll see a live preview that helps you judge the change before you commit. This is handy for quick visual adjustments. For precise control, type a scale factor and press enter. The scale factor must be a positive number greater than 0. If you want to double the size, type 2 and press enter. If you want to reduce the size by half, type 0.5 and press enter. You can use any decimal value to match your intent. The object scales uniformly in all directions, keeping its proportions intact. A few quick tips as you work. Choose a base point that makes alignment easy. Watch the command line or dynamic input for the factor you're entering, and remember that scaling doesn't change your drawing units. It just changes the size of the selected geometry relative to that base point. And there you go. Select the object, type scale, and press enter, click your anchor point, then use the mouse or enter a factor like 2 or 0.5. That's all you need to resize objects cleanly and confidently in AutoCAD.